It's not time to make a change. Just sit back, take it easy. You're still young, that's your fault. There's so much you have to know. Find a girl, settle down. If you want, you can marry. Look at me, I am old, but I'm happy. I was once like you are now, and I know that it's not easy to become when you found something going on. But take your time, think of everything you got, for you will still be here tomorrow, but your dreams may not. How can I try to explain when I do it turns away again? It's always been the same old story. From the moment I could walk, I was ordered to listen. Now there's a way, and I know that I have to go away. I know I have to go.
Oh, well done, Baz. Well done, Baz. Well done, Cam. Kelly, what do you think of Cam's performance tonight?
I think that was so much better than last week in terms of how you handled your nerves, how you projected your voice. It was so much louder, it was much more consistent, your vocal was much thicker this week. I think you've got like a country vibe going on. You hear sort of like country influence in your voice this week and everything. So I think that showed us a lot more of what you can do and how much more potential you've got. So in terms of growth, I think that's absolutely amazing how much you've grown in 1 week. You know, just getting over that hurdle of getting up there and singing in front of people. And the more you do that, the more your voice is going to come on and your confidence is going to come on. So I think you really do need to be commended for for doing that. Well done.
Zoe, what do you think?
Yeah, like Joe said, like even before you started singing, as soon as you got on stage, you just came across so much more relaxed and comfortable, which was lovely to see. It was lovely to watch that performance, like visually, because like you could still see that you were like in your zone, but we also had like that eye contact and stuff that was missing last week. It makes it easier for us to connect to, and I really felt that then. It was definitely a huge step up from last week, and it only gets easier from here. I loved the song choice; it really suited you, and I loved your tone, like Kel pointed out, like the country track, country vibe. It was a stunning performance. Well done.
Travis?
I love that song, man. I really do. And I think it really is a perfect song for you and your vocal quality, especially the instrumental track that you chose. I think it blended really well with what you are. Joey told me near the end of that song there that last week was the very first time you've ever sang public. In front of this sort of audience. In front of this sort of audience, yeah. I need you to understand how incredible that is. I mean, that is a huge thing, to find the courage to do that. You are visually absolutely terrified right now. And I'm getting the same energy off you right now, the exact same energy I got when I first did this, when I was like, what, 16? Yeah. I'm 21 now. I tell you now, mate, I'm not saying this to mess about with you, I'm not saying it because I feel like I need to, because I'm judging you. There is so much potential in you, man. The only thing holding you back is those nerves. Once those nerves are dead and buried and gone, you're going to realise you are a fantastic performer, you have a fantastic vocal quality, and you are a storyteller. So much potential. Don't doubt yourself. This is another hurdle to being where you want to be. Well done.
Look, it's never gonna. It's not. Those nerves are not gonna go overnight. And you've only been in this process a week, just like everyone else. We can't expect them to be completely gone. But as long as we are seeing a little bit of progress, we're all happy. And I'm sure the girls agree, like they've mentioned in the comments, they're seeing you step forward a little bit more tonight, and that's all we need. There was still a lot of nerves as you came into the performance, which I could see it added a bit of tension to your voice. But I promise you now, from last week, you need to, after this performance tonight now, you need to say to yourself, actually, yeah, the judges said that was better than last week, because it was definitely better than your audition. It was a step forward. But keep working on those nerves. The stand made such a difference tonight, I got to be honest. You were like quivering with your hands a little bit. You had the stand, which made a huge difference. And if that's what it takes to get you comfortable up there, keep using the stand as far as I'm concerned. But your eye, where you moved, you looked around and that, everything was a little bit better than last week. So please keep doing what you're doing. Those nerves, please make sure you keep working on it, because when you go up there, we want to get to a point where they're completely gone. And where you're up there and you're like, do you know what, I'm just going on there. That's it. But you will get there. But you're on the right path. We've all seen an improvement. Keep doing what you're doing. Well done. Round of applause.
Apply now at www.musicwales.org.